Hi, I'm Prabhu.
Hi, I am Bindu. We are going to introduce two of the most sought after technologies in the world right now.
VR technology most commonly uses virtual reality headsets or multi-projected environments, sometimes in combination with physical environment or props, to generate realistic images, sounds, and other sensations that simulates user physical presence in virtual environments.
With developments in VR hardware, we are now able to explore this virtual world in a whole new level of detail.
Augmented reality is a direct or indirect live view of a physical, real world environment whose elements are augmented by computer generated perceptual information, ideally across multiple sensory modalities. It alters one's current perception of a real world environment by adding new visual or auditory layers to your existing reality.
Let it ready.
When Microsoft first demoed HoloLens at Build 2015, they stole the show. HoloLens created waves in creation of augmented reality, painting the most groundbreaking picture of what is to come in the ever-expanding world of AR. Let us see how it is disrupting the industry.
The HoloLens is a device that extends the realities around you.
The biggest problem an architect has is getting from the screen into physical space. A HoloLens is going to bridge that gap.
It's just amazing. We're going from design to collaboration to radical collaboration. And it's completely changing the way people actually approach design.
Microsoft HoloLens allows you to collaborate with somebody regardless of distance, like they were there.
Since we can't put our scientists yet physically on Mars, well, what's possible if we can make them virtually present? That's transformational.
We've been teaching human anatomy the same way for 100 years, and it's completely two-dimensional, and the human body isn't.
As soon as you can change somebody's understanding, then they can change the way they see the world.
We've been on a journey of the virtual process for Ford for a long time. Everything starting with 2D drawings that we were doing on the computer, evolving to 3D fully digital models. But the missing piece was we always had to make a physical product. With the mixed reality, what we can do is take a physical asset and overlay new concepts on top of it.
That was amazing! Now let us see what IKEA has done. In the use of augmented reality, BMW is one of the pioneers.
The basic principle is it displays all the information such as speed, navigation. It projects it from a console on the dashboard onto the glass. Only the driver can see this.
The worlds of virtual and augmented reality are set to collide even as they are expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Augmented reality can be as simple as having a visual overlay on your world. But when that overlay becomes a virtual object, one that you can interact with, then that becomes mixed reality. It can let you interact with fictional characters in your own living room or just turn your environment into the greatest workstation imaginable. It is a much more complex and data intensive endeavor than VR, necessitating a truly insane amount of processing.
Created using Powtoon.